Okay everyone, welcome back to my channel. However, I've renamed it the Cyber Cube. So today we are going to learn how to solve the 3 by 3 using the beginner's method. So without delaying, let's start. We have got the second step, that is solving the white corners. So now let us see what white corner pieces we have on our cube. There are a total of four white corner pieces on each Rubik's cube. So here's one. It's the white, red and blue corner piece. The white, blue and orange corner piece right here. And we have the white, green and red corner piece right here. And the white, orange and green corner piece. Now, as you can see, the white, orange and green corner piece is in its correct place. That's between the white and orange edge piece and the white and green edge piece. So now let us look for other corner pieces on the top layer. Okay. However, the white face should be facing to our side. So now, hey, this is the white, blue and orange edge piece. Now, where should it go? This should go between the white and blue edge piece and the white and orange edge piece right here. So first, move the top layer to move it to its correct position so that we can just insert it in this place. So let us give it one turn. And it is also not like you'll also get the same. This is just an example of a solve. Okay, now you can see that our corner piece is right on top of its allocated area. So now, how to insert it? Make sure that the white side is facing you. If the corner piece is on the right side and the white side is facing you on the right, then do this. Turn it away from this blank space so that the other side of the edge piece faces you. Here, in case the orange face is facing me. Now, turn it up where you have to insert it. Then simply turn the top layer to make the corner piece come with the white and orange edge piece, or in your case anything else. So now I just simply turned, and now turn it back down. Now you can see it is in its correct place between the white and blue edge piece and the white and orange edge piece. Similarly, we have got the white, green and red. So we'll move it to its allocated place, that is between the white and green edge piece and the white and red edge piece. So let us move it the top layer. Now you can see it is above its allocated area. So now, as you can see here in this case, it is on the left side and the white side is facing us. So move it to the right side. So it's a simple thing. If it is on the right side, turn it left. And if it is on the left side, turn it right. So now we are going to turn it right. Take the bottom up. And you can see here's the blank space where we need to insert this. Now we'll take it back left and then down. You can see it's in its correct position. Okay, so now we can also get other cases like you can see we have this white, blue and red edge piece on the top layer. However, the white side is facing up. So what can we do in this case? First, take it to its assigned place, that is between the white and red edge piece and the white and blue edge piece, like that. Now, just simply rotate it like so. In order to make the white face us this side or this side, we have to do the same thing we do. So like first we'll have to insert it like that. You can insert it inside, like even this side, to the right or to the left. I'll prefer the left. Up, right, down. Now you can see it is not inserted in its correct place. Now you have to remember that you insert it in the left side. If you have inserted in the right side, then I'll tell you what to do. So I've inserted on the left side. So I have to take out this piece on the right side in order to flip it. So like this, like that, that, and that. Okay, so we put it in the left and took it out in the right. Now you can see it is facing us. However, if you put it in your right like that, okay, now take it out in the left like that. As you see, it can face us. Now simply take it above its respective place and then insert. Right? That. Congratulations, you have completed the first layer. Thank you for today's video, and I'm sure I'll upload my video in the next few days. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.